cat's bed. You cannot fit under there.
Cujo, a 1983 survival horror directed by Louis Teague. Adapted from the novel from horror master Stephen King. This movie is much deeper than just a killer dog story. It explores family, namely the Trenton family, their troubles, and how a child views monsters. For a kid, monsters are real. They exist, no matter how hard parents try and convince them otherwise. It's the fear of the dark, fear of what's under the bed, fear of the closet monster, all very real to children whose imagination runs away with them. There's no limit, only the reassurance from our parents to say it will all be okay. But this time, it isn't going to be okay. Cujo brings child's fears to life with chilling consequences.
Cujo! Oh my God, you rabbit.
Cujo, the movie's antagonist, a lovable Saint Bernard, the breed known for its friendly and social behavior, often associated with bringing rum to stranded travelers. This dog is perfect for a family, trustworthy and loyal, until poor Cujo gets bitten by a bat and catches rabies, a disease that causes madness and rage in animals. Cujo doesn't instantly become dangerous. He slowly becomes more and more withdrawn and sensitive, until ultimately the disease takes hold and Cujo becomes lethal. His last encounter with his pal is like a farewell. The last time Cujo could possibly hold back his rage, his urge to kill. All the child's worst nightmares come true, through a combination of bad luck, getting stranded in the family car, and a dog with rabies constantly looking for a way in. This is the movie's main focus, how a mother, Dee Wallace, and her son Tad, Danny Pintoro, have to endure this onslaught. But not only that, severe heat, dehydration, and the overwhelming feeling of claustrophobia. It's fear, that monster in the closet. With Tad's monster words, his dad wrote down his only shield, while his mother faces down fear, fight or ultimately die of dehydration. Cujo relentless in his attacks. It's high tension and drama all the way, until the life or death showdown. Cujo is a horror classic, because the scenario is possible. A dog with rabies. Combine that with a family that you care about and it's gripping stuff, with some serious tension building and the obvious feeling that our protagonists are in real danger. It's a story that's well-paced and fleshed out perfectly, all to build to a do-or-die finale that's movie gold. Cujo is nature at its most vicious. But the movie also shows humanity at its best. Our need to protect and save our children. No matter what. Cujo sits up there with Salem's Lot and it. As Stephen King puts us in a car with only one place to go. How we get there, that's up to us. Please subscribe for future content. Thanks for watching.